Hi, I'm Mark Cohen. I am the General Counsel for the International Association of Certified Home Inspectors, or InterNACHI. You know, in a hot market, it can be tempting for a real estate agent to recommend that a buyer make an offer on a home without having a home inspection done. Of course, in most jurisdictions, the seller of the property is required to make mandatory disclosures to the potential buyer, but you can't rely on those for several reasons. First, the seller may not be truthful. Second, the seller may genuinely be unaware of some defect. So it's become common in the industry now to have a home inspection. Does the realtor have a duty to recommend a home inspection? First of all, if you are a member of the National Association of Realtors, they have a code of ethics, and it says that basically you must follow the golden rule: do unto others as you would have them do unto you. And second, it says that you pledge to protect and promote the interests of your client, the buyer. So that could be used to establish a duty. Additionally, realtors almost always have a listing contract that they have the seller or buyer sign, and in the buyer's contract it will be specified what the duties of the real estate agent are. And in almost every contract I've seen, it says the real estate agent will exercise reasonable skill and care in representing the buyer. So there's another possible source for establishing a duty to recommend a home inspection. And third, and finally, there is some case law out there on this subject in which the court found that the realtor did have a duty to recommend to the buyer that the buyer obtain a professional home inspection. So you need to recommend a home inspection, or you put yourself at risk of a lawsuit if you fail to do that. And believe me, if you think you don't have a duty to recommend a home inspection, any competent lawyer will find an expert realtor with a very impressive resume to testify that you do have a duty to recommend a home inspection. And if you fail to recommend a home inspection, you're going to get sued for breach of contract and for negligence. You can't shield yourself from liability for torts such as negligence, even if you're working under the umbrella of an LLC or a corporation. I hope you find that information helpful, and just remember that an unhappy buyer is going to sue everybody. Thanks and good luck.